No.
Still wet though. We'll just tape that up later. Wish that was cold water.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, that was a good one.
Went down my back too.
You're wet. You're gonna have to explain again what you're doing, because I guarantee people are gonna ask who haven't seen this a million times before.
Well, some people might not have been here.
Yeah.
It's just we use this bubble foil for insulation. Then rodents can't build nothing with it. But a lot of times I'll cut it beforehand because I knew that this always happens. And it's better than working off tarps, and I find that super annoying. So if I just cut it, then you just tape it up at when you're done.
Yeah.
Once the roof's on. And then there's no worry about any of it. I have waterproof flooring up there too, so that OSB is not normal OSB. That's, I can't remember what brand, Durastrand
Yeah, I think so.
is the brand, and that stuff will hold up really well, actually. We've really put that to the test. This here, once this is skirted in, which we'll use it like as a storage, so we'll have a nice door on it too, probably on each side. That'll keep the floor pretty warm, just with that and the skirting.
Wow.
We got a bit of rain.
Yep.
Oh, that's hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Man, I'm soaked. Frig.
Last one.
No,
On this side.
this side.
Chalk line?
Yeah, we might have to sweep the needles. Watch for splinters.
Should I do mine?
Yeah.
Looks pretty good anyway.
So we didn't want to, where I get the boards was closed when I got them in the evening. So I had to come from a farther distance. So I didn't bother with carrying 16s in. I just brought 8s. So I'm going to do 2 8s instead of like a full 16. And then I'll just tie it together. It'll be fine. The plywood over it and everything.
Be a lot
Make it
to
easier
lift.
to lift too.
So I was gonna say.
Remember what I was saying in the last time? Like you run out of that?
Yeah.
They actually don't run. You do. It does shorten on you, but it shouldn't have shortened that much. I had added a double plate
Yeah, yeah.
on there to beef it up because that beam was a little bit off
Yeah.
and they didn't want it exposed. So anyways, there's a bigger gap there. There should have been. There should have been only like 1.5 inches instead of 3 inches. But because I beefed it up, now it's 16 and 1.5 inches. We'll just have to make up the difference. It'll just be random. We'll put the door here.
Oh, right. But not too close, remember?
No,
'Cause-
probably close to the middle. I think.
Yeah. Do you have another 8-foot over there? You need me to get one.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Ding dong, ding dong.
It still matters.
I have a habit of like.
Yeah, it's just straight back with it. Glad we at least had the
Wood in here?
It's weird with this saw like left-handed.
Oh, yeah, right.
Because the weight's all here.
Yeah.
It's like the sun's perfectly over us right now.
I know. It's, I think, 42 degrees Celsius today. It's a hot one.
42?
The humid index.
Oh, what is it? Must 30 something?
Yeah, 30
What's
something,
crazy
4.
though, the other night it was like at night it was like 5 degrees or something.
Yeah, it's wild.
That's why you get the swings, eh?
Yeah. Want this one beside it now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect.
You need a corner.
First for what?
Before I put the header in.
Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be cold.
I got mostly through at the back.
No, that's good. I'm good. I'm good. Oh, I feel so good though. Oh,
Oh, that's nice though.
oh yeah, that's good. Oh, needed that.
Look, it just looks like I peed myself.
Yeah.
Well, that's helps.
Oh my land. Yeah.
That helped.
Oh my goodness, so much better. I was like feeling like I was gonna pass out.
It's hot, yeah.
So hot. Back to work. Are you cutting more than one?
Just this one.
I just fall off the back here.
Yeah, you back up. Right. 37 and a half, not 47.
Oh,
Look.
freak. Heat's getting to ya.
Yeah.
This is gonna be one of those days it's so hot, remember when you make like a ton of mistakes?
No.
Yeah, it happens sometimes.
A ton of mistakes.
Maybe a ton's a bit far, but
At least they didn't cut it too short.
no, that's good, eh? Good enough.
Better too long than too short.
Mm.
Why is my finger in the way?
No, you good?
Yeah. I even double checked
Mm.
the first time.
Yeah, you double checked 47.
Yeah.
I could help you, but I just stand here and watch instead in the shade.
Seems about right.
Ah. You gotta jam that right in there.
Force it if you have to.
Yeah. exciting. Oh, that's good.
Yeah. I think you'd be able to walk the whole way like this.
Hey, you got shade.
I'll just get rid of this. Just causing a problem.
Yeah.
Did you even shoot nails? Oh, that'll do it. Good to lift with your legs.
I wasn't planning on lifting. Oh, do we have a level up here? No.
Oh.
No, it's maybe. No, it might be up there. Here, I'll hold on.
Right there. Nobody's gonna fall on me. I want to stay away from this so we can lay the floor in. So. It looks like so high because we have it off the ground so high.
Yeah.
It looks way higher than 8-foot wall.
Right. Cool.
Mm-hmm. Too hot.